Good morning, students. Today's class is classification of complexes of one type. Inclusion complexes. These are also called as exclusion complexes or no bond complexes. Today's class discussing about types and applications of inclusion complexes. Inclusion complexes are also called as exclusion complexes in which one of the component is trapped in the open lattice or cage-like crystal structure of another molecule. Types of inclusion complexes are channel type, layer type, clathrates, and monomolecular types. The forces of interactions involved in inclusion complexes are weak, generally do not have any adhesive forces. The first type of inclusion complexes are channel type. These channels are formed by the crystallization of host molecule and guest component, usually limited to long unbranched side chain compounds. By observing the following diagram, it will form a needle shaped crystal of hexagonal channel complex formed by methyl alpha lipoate with urea as a host. Host and guest. Host is a agent used for form the channel. Examples: deoxycholic acid, urea, thiourea, and amylose. Guest molecules: paraffins, esters, acids, ethyl alcohol, and dioxone. These are the agents used for formation of channel type complexes. Most commonly used molecule examples are starch and iodine complex. Channel lattice complex of urine shown in the following diagram. Applications: these type of channel lattice type complexes are used for separation of a optical isomers, separation of petroleum products, analysis of dermatological creams, and prevents the oxidative degradation of vitamins. Example: vitamin A. The second type of inclusion complexes are layer type. Clays, montomonolate can entraps hydrocarbons, alcohols, and glycols. These molecules are forms alternative monomolecular layers of guest and host molecules. This type of complexes are not used not used regularly. These are most commonly used for catalysis of larger surface area. Third type of complexes under inclusion complexes are clathrates. These complexes are available in crystalline powder. During crystallization, certain substances form a cage-like lattice in which coordinated compounds is entrapped. The following diagram represents the hydroquinone molecule crystallize the cage-like structure with hydrogen bonding. The holes having diameter 4.2 angstroms permit the entrapment of small molecules. The particle size is most important in entrapment of drugs by clathrates. The, the size of the hole is very small. Drugs cannot be entrapped. If the drugs are having large size, cannot be entrapped. So, particle size of a drug is more important. This is used for entrapment of small molecules of methyl alcohol, carbon dioxide, and hydrochloric acid. These molecules are held together by hydrogen bonding. The cage formation can be given by diagram. These small molecules entrap the drugs. In these clathrates, guest molecule may be either solid, liquid, or gas. From the clathrates, drug can be released by either digestion process, heat, or grinding of the clathrates. Clathrate complexes formed by the hydroquinone molecule. The trapped drug can be placed in center. The most commonly used example of clathrate is warfarin sodium is a clathrate of water and isopropyl alcohol. It is available in white crystalline powder. Hydroquinone molecule crystallizes in the cage-like structure by hydrogen bonding. The hole diameter is 4.2 angstroms. Hydroquinone is used to clathrate the krypton 85 for easily handling of their respective radioactive gas. Molecular sieves. Synthetic metal aluminosilicates are also called as molecular sieves. These are used to store gases, volatile and toxic substances by the clathrates. These clathrates guest molecule can be later removed by simple physical process. The fourth one is monomolecular types. These monomolecular inclusion compounds involves the entrapment of guest molecule in the cavity of the one of the host molecule. The host molecules are used in monomolecular types are cyclodextrins. Cyclodextrins are cyclic oligosaccharides containing 6 glucopyranose units attached by alpha 1,4 linkage. Interior of the cavity is relatively hydrophobic in nature due to presence of methyl groups. The entrance of the cavity is hydrophilic in nature due to presence of carboxylic groups or hydroxyl groups. In the center form hydrophobic cavity for encapsulating hydrophobic drugs. By observing the following diagram, aspirin is encapsulated in the hydrophobic cavity. Due to presence of their functional groups, they are having hydrophilic in nature and hydrophobic in nature. The mitomycin is partially enclosed in cyclodextrins. Cyclodextrins is an cyclic oligosaccharides containing a minimum 6 T plus or minus glucopyranose units. These glucopyranose units are held together by alpha 1,4 linkage. These cyclodextrins are obtained from the action of Bacillus maceraris amylase on starch. There are 3 types of cyclodextrins are available for complexation: alpha, beta and gamma. Alpha cyclodextrin contains 6 glucopyranose units. Beta cyclodextrins contains 7 pyranose units. Gamma cyclodextrins contain 8 glucopyranose units. Diameter of the alpha cyclodextrins are 5 angstroms. Beta and gamma cyclodextrins are having 6 to 8 angstroms. The structure appear as true truncated cone-like appearance. These cyclodextrins are useful for designing of various types of dosage forms, enhancing the solubility of drugs. Normally, retinoic acid is having 0.5 mg is soluble in 1 liter. It can be combined with or complexes formed with cyclodextrins. They enhance their solubility. The enhanced solubility is 160 mg per liter. Second application is by complexation with cyclodextrins enhance their dissolution rate. Examples: famotidine and dolbutamol enhance the dissolution rate by complexes with cyclodextrins. Enhance the stability. Drugs are combining with or form a monomolecular inclusion complexes with cyclodextrins enhance their stability. Aspirin, benzocaine, ephedrine, testosterone, sulfonamides, tetracyclines, morphine, reserpine and retinoic acid is form a monomolecular inclusion complexes with cyclodextrin to increase their stability. By using complexation with cyclodextrins, the drug rate can be sustained or release rate can be prolonged. Ethylated beta cyclodextrins retard the drug release to produce sustained delivery. Example of drugs which form complexes with ethylated beta cyclodextrins are diltiazem and isosorbate dinitrate. These form of cyclodextrin complexes are useful for avoid or mask the better taste of drugs. When cyclodextrins are combined with drugs to form monomolecular inclusion complexes, these complexes are useful for mask the better taste of drugs. Normally, cyclodextrins are poorly soluble in our body, so there are causes nephrotoxicity. These natural cyclodextrins are used to avoid nephrotoxicity. Partial methylation of some of the OH groups to avoid nephrotoxicity. Thank you. In today's class, discussing about inclusion complexes and their types and their applications used in designing of dosage forms. Thank you.